In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to open it and hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Then you can tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. And finally go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit it thanks to this button of a pen at the bottom left corner. Look for Caffeine shortcut at the bottom and drag it to the top. Then let go back and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!